we're moving in today, but we dropped by SNR and found the best stuff. Like, buy one, take one, everything. Yay! So we have Table Pro, 42 piece, buy one, take one. Stainless, since everything in the house, like cookingware wise, should be stainless. We also have buy one, take one glasses. We already have spoons and forks at home. And then, of course, I'd got what Tony will be eating tomorrow, Papa Mode. Eggs, his baon, so we can't choose. So we got Oreos, and then pepero, and then my personal favorite, I think this is what I'm packing in Tony's bento box tomorrow. We also got him tiny hangers, since I can't wait for my shipment from TikTok shop. So we got this, since it's also buy one, take one here. So we're so ready for Tony's first day of class tomorrow. I cannot imagine moving to Cebu if I hadn't met Ed. Or the fact that if I had not decided to marry him and him pushing to move Tony here for better education. Because ever since we got here, it has been Ed running the show. He has dealt with everything, with the move, looking for a place, settling in. Yesterday and today, it's just been his show. I've just been at home being a Disney princess. I'm just so grateful that I have a husband who is calm and really just runs the show so smoothly. And it also makes me realize that yes, I am with the right person, and this is the type of person that I would want to gladly submit to, despite being super mega ultra independent myself. Iba pa rin talaga if you have a guy in your life that provides all of the things, not just money, because the least of what I need from my husband is his money. What I do need are things that he has been providing me ever since we met. And I'm just a grateful wife. Yun lang.
Busy kay ang papa nagtahal sa lapis sa baktin para ugma. Hi, Lavi. How are you? Seryoso ka ayo, uy? Sana all gihimo ag humba para sa first day of class. Sana all humba. Ni Tira Cherry nga grabe ka gwapa. Sa among bag-o nga stainless nga lutuanan kay wa maglisod. Sige, plaster na nga masulod na tanan iyang mga kalapisan diha. Sige. Da. Saka. Grabe sa kakaayo eh. So very strict the father. Akong role. Nangita pa og mga palito nun sa TikTok shop. Kay nagmitros-mitros ko kay para mas mabutanganan. So napo ko'y contribution or lisod pod. Da, naka-ready na dyan ang sapatos diris ubos. Busy lagi kay Kaleb sa bagleb. Gikaon na kas bagleb? Sige, mangita na lang kitag tarong na nga. Kuwan. Pero okay naman na oh. Busy kayo ta nga. 10 minutes na lang to siya iatudog mo. Okay, lagi. Blastaro lagi. Okay. Oo nga ni. Oh. Palitan siya og maog tarong nga plancha with kabayo. Kanang matching. Para na siguro nasa laing nga fabric na nga steam. I love you. Yun, sige ni pagkitabo ang si Tony. Estudyante kami ang waito. Mami katao dari sa balay. 5 kadagko. Niya isa ka baktin. Pero gabi pa natulog ang baktin. Sayo kayo. Kami ang mga walay tulog kay kami na-excite. Feeling na mo ni Ed, balik mi college. And imagine, we attended college 8 years apart. Pero feeling na mo karon sa among sitwasyon dari sa Cebu. Puro may mga dormers. And this is one large dorm room. We're just really excited for Tony. Because it's his first day in his new school. So, na-ready na namo tanang gabi pa. Pero kami mas na-excite para sa iya ha. So, muna, bisan pagtigha to drami, we have to shower just like Tony. Para makita niya that this is the new routine. No need magsyagit-syagit, kaya naka-ready naman tanang gabi. I just remember the time when I went to college. That was the last time I was in school. Nag-plaster po ko nila mama. And now we're doing this as a team. Ingat! I don't think I will be sharing everything or a step-by-step of what Tony's first day is like. I just want to keep a bit of his life private. I mean, y'all know he's in Ateneo Cebu, but you won't see me posting videos of what happens inside. I also want to respect the school. I also want to respect other kids, especially those who aren't mine. Every time I make a video about Tony, he knows this. His consent is important. So, dili na ako siya videohan anang sundoon siya. Actually, gisundo na siya karon nila Ed. Wala na ko ni uban kay labad kay akong ulo. But yeah, I just wanna make that very clear to everyone. I will make videos on things that I wanna make videos of. But it's not gonna be everything. It's gonna be 10%. So, mao na tong 10%, ganin na tong gi-share na ko sa inyo, giunsa na mo siya paghatod. What the outcome is, gaunsa siya sa school, conversation, I don't think I'll make a video about that anymore. Or maybe I will, but not now. Kaya again, you're only entitled to 10% of our lives. Ingat!